In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring event in Notion Calendar. To do this, go and open up your Notion Calendar and just create a new event that you want to have recur daily, weekly, monthly, whatever time frame you want. So just create a new event and give it the title you want to give it. For example, I'll say meeting. And then here first set the time that it needs to be every single, again, day, week, whatever. Let's say this one is from 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. And then here you want to go to repeat. So from there you can then click on repeat right here. And then you can do either every day, every weekday, every week, every 2 weeks, every month on the 5th, every month on the first Wednesday, every year, or you can click custom. And then here you can set it to custom days. So for example, I'll set it to every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. From there, click done and then save event. Now you'll see Wednesday and Thursday right here, the meeting. If I go over to next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the meeting is right here. You can also set an end date to it. So again, click on any of the recurring meetings, in this case meeting. And then here go to the repeat section and click custom. And then you can set an end date, so here it says ends. Then you can set it to never, so it just always continues, or you can set it to on a specific date. So for example, if the 1st of December this should stop, I can click done and then save event. So now if I move over to the 1st of December right here, you can see this is the last week of November, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday it happens. But then here the 1st of December is the last one, and then after that it stops. So that's how to create a recurring event in Notion Calendar. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.